4 to the power x square upon 2 to the power x is equal to 8. Find the value for x. So 4 we can write it as 2 to the power 2, then whole to the power x square upon 2 to the power x is equal to 8. We can write 2 to the power 3. Now when a to the power m upon a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m minus n. Also, if a to the power m whole to the power n, this is equal to a to the power m times n. So here it will be 2 to the power 2x square upon 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 3. Now using this identity, we have 2 to the power 2x square minus x is equal to 2 to the power 3. Now there is a rule, if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, and if a is not equal to 0 or 1, here a is 2, in that case m is equal to n. That means 2x square minus x is equal to 3, or we can take here, or 2x square minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now let's factorize it. 3 times 2 is 6. So we have to find two numbers whose product is 6 and whose sum should be equal to minus x. So 2x square plus 2x minus 3x. 3 times 2 is 6 and plus 2x minus 3x will be minus x. Minus 3 is equal to 0, or here we can take 2x common and write x plus 1, and here minus 3 common and write x plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is the common factor. So x plus 1 times 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Two solutions for x. When x plus 1 is equal to 0, in that case x is equal to minus 1. When 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, in that case 2x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 3 upon 2. Let's check these solutions. When x is equal to minus 1, 4 to the power x is minus 1 square upon 2 to the power minus 1. We have to check whether it is equal to 8. Minus 1 square is positive 1, so it will be 4. And 2 to the power minus 1 means multiplicative inverse of 2 raised to the positive power of the exponent. So it is 2 raised to the power of 1. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So x is equal to minus 1 is correct. Now let's check whether x is equal to 3 upon 2 is correct. So 4 to the power 3 upon 2 square, then 2 to the power 3 upon 2. Check whether it is equal to 8. 4 is 2 square, so 2 times, and 3 upon 2 square is 9 upon 4. 2 times 2 is 4, so it is 2 raised to the power of 9 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2, or it is 2 to the power of 2 common denominator, 9 minus 3, or it is equal to 2 to the power 6 upon 2, that is equal to 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 8. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So this is also correct. So two values for x are minus 1 and 3 upon 2. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.